Asking people at Underground Airsoft 2. Explain their loadouts, Part 5.
Alright, so can you explain your loadout?
Yeah, okay, so this is one of my new guns. It's the G&G FAR 556.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from UGA in the shop. All my views just dumped out. This is a 3-way folding. Again, it's very compact. Really good for storing. So yeah, this is my new gun, and then I don't have a holster, but it's my Glock, I think 17. I could be wrong. I think it's Gen 4? Could be wrong. I'm not completely sure. But this is one of my better pistols. I also have a pirate pistol, but it's out there. So,
Yeah.